Division of elements in the modern periodic table. The modern periodic table has the 18 vertical columns known as groups. Vertical columns known as groups. How many groups in there in modern periodic table? 18 groups is there. And 7 horizontal rows is there. 7 horizontal rows are called periods. Horizontal rows are called periods and vertical columns are known as groups. Okay. The modern periodic table has 18 vertical columns. 18 vertical columns. 18 vertical columns. Vertical columns are called vertical columns. These are known as groups. How many groups is there in modern periodic table? The modern periodic table has 18 vertical columns is known as groups and 7 horizontal rows. 7 horizontal rows. 7 horizontal rows known as what we can call 7 horizontal rows? Periods. Known as periods. Okay. So the modern periodic table has 18 vertical columns known as groups, 7 horizontal rows known as periods. Okay. By the activity we have to perform they having the similar configuration, similar electronic configuration in the groups or not, or in periods. In periods or groups, which one having the similar electronic configuration. Once you have to perform the activity, we have to take the group 1 elements. What is the group 1 elements is there? Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium. These are the group 1 elements. Okay. You have to take the group 1 of the modern periodic, group 1 elements of the modern periodic table and name the elements present in it. We have to name, okay, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, francium, and write down the electronic configuration of the first 3 elements of group 1. First 3 elements of group 1. Okay. And what is the similarity do you find their electronic configuration? How many valency electrons are present in the 3 elements? Once you have to check the first A group elements, group 1 element, lithium, sodium, potassium. Here, lithium, sodium, potassium. Lithium atomic number 3, sodium 11, potassium 90. Okay. Here, this is a helium 2s1. Here neon 3s1. Potassium is a argon 4s1. What is the similarity is there in first A group elements? Here outermost electronic configuration, the outer shell electron. How many electrons is there in outer shell? You have to take the any one. Here 1 electron is there, here also 1 electron is there, here also 1 electron is there. But shells are increasing. Here second shell is there, outer shell, here third shell is there, here fourth shell is there. Shells are increasing, but number of valency electrons in that shells is same. Similarity. Okay. What is the similarity is there? Their outermost electronic configurations are similar. In the groups, outer shell, identical electronic configuration is there. But in the groups, shells are increasing from going to the down. By this activity, we have to understand the similar electronic configurations and increasing shells. Okay. You will find that all these elements contain the same number of valency electrons. Similarly, you will find that the elements present in only one group have the same number of valence electrons. Not only in first group, you have to take the other groups also. Okay, generally first A, second A, third A. We can call the 18 groups is there, first, second, third, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 groups is there up to. Okay, for suppose if we have to take the 17 group, what are the 17 group elements? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, acetylene. These are the 17 group elements. In that, fluorine, chlorine belong to 17 group. How many electrons to having the fluorine and chlorine having their outermost shells? Only one electron. Once you have to observe. Okay, fluorine electronic configuration, atomic number 9, 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. Sorry, fluorine having the 7 valency electrons. In the same way, chlorine also having the 7 valency electrons in their outermost shell. Once you have to observe same way. Okay, fluorine and chlorine. Okay, in the first year group elements, they are having the, you will find the, all these elements contain the same number of valence electrons. You will find that all these elements contain the same number of electrons, same number of valence electrons. Okay, so already we saw the same number of valence electrons. Okay, all these elements contain the same number of valency electrons. Similarly, you will find that the elements present in any one group have the same number of valence electrons. Okay, for example, similarly, we have to take the elements fluorine. What is the formula of fluorine? F. Formula or symbol, fluorine, F. And chlorine, what is the symbol of chlorine? Cl. So these are they belong to which group? 17 group. These are belong to 17 group. These are belongs to 17 group. How many electrons do fluorine and chlorine have in their outermost shells? Hence we can say that groups in the periodic table signify an identical outer shell electronic configuration. Okay, in this similarly examples, elements fluorine and chlorine, these are belong to 17 group. These are having the similar electronic configurations in their valency shell. Okay, these are having the similar or identical outer electronic configuration. These are having identical outer shell electronic configuration. Identical outer shell electronic configuration. Okay, so what on the group going to the down, what is increasing? Going to down, number of shells are increasing. The number of shells are increasing. Number of shells increases. As we go down in the group. as we go down in the group. Okay, so the number of shells are increasing, but outer shell electronic configuration is same. Only number of shells are increasing in the group.